Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's November 12th, 2023. I'm over on the new property at base camp here. Yesterday, I shared with you that I had split quite a bit of firewood. This morning I came over here after doing books and all. I didn't split. I cut more firewood and all. So we got all of the firewood that was in the pile over there to the side, cut up and ready to get split. And so I've got a couple of the IBC totes here, and I've got the Wolf Ridge wood splitter. I just have the four-way wedges on here now. This thing is absolutely fantastic. This is a Pro 35C. It has the faster cycle time on the cylinder, so it really goes quickly. It's got a nice bed to collect some of the material. I could set up the two bins there and offload it into the appropriate place. It has a hydraulic lift, has a hydraulic wedge control, and this is interchangeable with the six-way as well. So this can go up and down with this control here. This hydraulic here, the log lift over here is controlled by this, and this is the split and retract ones, and they have a detent, so as soon as it gets full cycle it'll automatically kick back, so I don't have to stand here and operate it. Really, this is a huge improvement over the previous wood splitter, my 30-ton wood splitter that I had, North Star. So I'm going to go ahead and split some more wood and see if I can make a little progress here. It's a nice sunny day. It's 34 degrees Fahrenheit right now, so it's a bit chilly, but we'll get some work done. So here we go. Okay, that didn't take too long. I got a couple of baskets full. They are loosely packed. Hopefully some air. You'll see on the ground there's a lot of water, moisture, and mud from this ground here. So we can hopefully get these to dry out a little bit more. They are from last year, but I'll stick a moisture meter on them later. But this time of year, it's tough to get these much drier unless you've got an inside location to put them. At this Wolf Ridge wood splitter, this is amazing. I absolutely love this machine. It really saves me a lot of time and energy. So next I'm just going to go ahead and put a couple more baskets here, and then bring these full baskets over to the homestead, put them under the solar panels for right now, and then decide where the best location is for them. I wish I had a structure to put them in. But just wanted to show you some, hopefully some footage showed up with the, it'll look okay with running the wood splitter. I absolutely love this thing. It's amazing. So thanks so much for watching, and hang in there. And I'm real glad the sun came out today. Take care now. Bye-bye.